Ohio. There is no better place.
Intel is coming to Ohio.
On behalf of my 37,000 Intel manufacturing team members around the globe, I would like to welcome the Ohio team to our family.
This historic investment for Ohio, one of the largest investments in semiconductor manufacturing in American history.
So today, as we celebrate a great step forward in Ohio's transformation into the Silicon Heartland, let's also celebrate this as a win for the national interest and the new possibilities for our current and future students.
This is Ohio's time in history.
The long and deep history of manufacturing in Ohio was a clear draw for why we wanted to come here. And today, the Silicon Heartland begins.